Hello, greetings to you all, and you're most welcome to this class, Computer Literacy 2, where we're going to share knowledge. I'll be able to learn a few things from you, and I believe you'll also get out of the class having learned something from me as well. This class is going to be interactive, so I expect each and everyone to participate, to give their contribution. And I would like to let you know that as far as we're in class, there are no wrong answers. Whatsoever answer you give is either the correct answer or an answer that can be made better. The only place or the only time where we look at wrong and correct answers is when it comes to your exams, courseworks, and then assignments. But apart from that, our normal class is just going to be interactive. So I expect each and everyone to be able to participate. What are we going to look at under Computer Literacy 2? Basically, in Computer Literacy 2, we look at two things. One is Microsoft Excel. We are going to understand the interface of Microsoft Excel. Having looked at the interface of Microsoft Excel, we are also going to look at data, the different data types and data entry into Excel, and then the data manipulation, how we can play around with the data that we put into Excel in order to get our desired results. And that is basically to do with calculations or math. That is what we shall be doing with Excel. If you look at the interface of Microsoft Excel, it's just like the previous one that we completed last semester, that was in under Computer Literacy 1, where we looked at Microsoft Word. The interface is kind of similar. Apart from where we enter our data, you're going to look up here. The interface is kind of similar. But we're going to talk about the interface in our next class, and then the data entry. We're just looking at an overview of what we expect in this course unit. We're also going to look at PowerPoint, which is basically a presentation tool which we use to make presentations. And this is how the interface. Remember, Excel is a spreadsheet program that we can use to manipulate data in terms of figures. But when we come to PowerPoint, here we are looking at electronic presentation. So this is where we are going to be making our presentations from, dealing with slides, dealing with transitions, dealing with animations, and different effects as sound effects and so on and so forth. So I can't wait to have you in class, and then we dive into this course unit. Otherwise, this is just an overview of what we expect in the class. Thank you.